Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add Canva website templates to Google Sites. So for this purpose, what you need to do, just choose any of site from these sites. So I tap on this. Once you click on this, then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Once you done this, then what you need to do, just go to Canva. Once you are there on Canva, then what you need to do, just click on this create a design button on the top right corner. Then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Then too many templates will appear on your screen. What you need to do, just choose one from them. Once you choose one, then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. All the templates will appear on the left side of the screen, as you can see. Here what you need to do, just choose any template from them. Once you choose template from them, then what you need to do, just select that template and drag it to this blank page. Once you're done with this, then here what you need to do, at the top right corner you have this share button, click on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Here you have this more button, click on it. Then here you can see the option of embed, click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Then here you have the option of embed, click on it. Then two codes will appear on your screen. Here click on copy at the front of first code. Once you click on copy, this code will automatically copy it. Then what you need to do, just go back to your site. Here at the bottom right corner you have this plus button, click on it. Then this type of some options will appear. Here you have this full page embedded option, click on it. Then this type of page will appear. Here what you need to do, just give the name to your embedded page. So here I give the name new page. Once you done this, then this will pop up. Here you have the option of add embedded, click on it. Then here you have two options, click on embedded code and paste that code which you copied. Once you done this, then you have the button of next, click on it. Then here wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds. Once you done this, then you have the button of insert, click on it. Once you done this, then what you need to do, just wait for at least 20 to 30 seconds. It's depend on your network. Then here you can see that the template which you choose will appear on your site. So this is the easiest and simplest way to add Canva website templates to Google site. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.